In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use Amazon gift card. Intro. Now, first things first, you need to open up the Amazon app and you need to tap the profile icon down in the bottom of the screen. Usually this is in the bottom left. From here, select account. It's going to redirect you to a page that looks something like this. And in this section, you need to choose manage gift card balance. So scroll down on here, look for manage gift card balance. Open that up, and essentially you need to tap redeem another gift card, and from here you can either scan the claim code using your phone's camera, or you can enter in the code manually, whatever you want to do. As soon as that code is accepted, the gift card amount will be added to your Amazon balance, and that balance will automatically appear as a payment option whenever you place an eligible order. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.